If you want to get rid of weeds, you have come to the right place because there's only one way to do it, and that's manually. And that's what this tool from Gardena does. It's their weed puller. German engineering folks at its finest. They know how to pull weeds. Simple design. Let's take a look at it. On the instructions, you want to get right in the center, twist it 180 degrees, and then you pull it out. So here it is. The first time I'm ever using this on camera too. You're going to take it, twist it off, and then pull it. Boom, the weed came out, and then you just press that mechanism to pop it right out. Check out this big daddy. Now this is a great test, and this is on my driveway too. So the secret is, what you want to do is get right into the center, because if you get in the center, you're going to hit that tap root, and that weed is not going to be able to come back. So I found the center. Now I've twisted it, and then boom, look at that, big boy out of there, right there. Great way to aerate your lawn as well, because you're gonna leave those holes. But I'll tell you this, you know, pulling weeds, it's like eating a bag of chips. You can't eat one chip, you can't pull just one weed. It is such a simple but effective design. Very, very rewarding thing to do, like first thing in the morning with a cup of coffee. Make sure you have some type of bucket or something that you can put the weeds in, and then you put it into your green bin after that. But I'm telling you, you won't find something more rewarding than pulling out weeds. This Gardena Weed Puller is fast and effective. It's handy proved. Be sure to like and follow me online for more handy tips.